Hi guys, this is Varun. Today I'm going to explain small example with the state mission. In earlier video, I have explained how the state mission will work and how many states we will involve in state mission. So today I'm going to show you a small example which is built on state mission so that you guys can understand why we are using state mission. So first let me run the workflow. I think somewhere it getting start 1 minute. Oh, it's running. I think yeah, sorry. So it's got the pop-up, right? So let's take, I'm giving number 3 as a 5 and here 4 and here 6. So it's not matched. You can see here. So what it's going, again it's coming to the number 1, 3, 2. It's matched, right? So what is happening here? So basically what I'm trying to achieve is whenever it's a kind of guessing number which we have some kind of random guess number which UiPath is provided, but I have customized in a different way. So what I'm trying to use, I have, whenever we run the workflow, so it's used to get pop-up with the number. So we need to, let's take it's 5. So once you click on OK, it will ask you will get some another 2 pop-ups. So you need to enter those numbers, and the sum of those two numbers should match with the first number. So if it is match, then it will execute the end process. If it is not matched, then it will repeat the process. So what I have done, so this is a state. Okay, in this state I have created this input dialog activity. So basically I have given the number and the value will store in this variable which I have created, this variable of generic value type. And what will happen, so once this state got executed, this is basically initializing state. So I have not done any config file settings and all, because I'm not working with orchestrator, and this is a kind of uh, demo which I want you guys to understand how the state mission to work. So that's what I'm not following any standards here, but I just want you guys to understand how this works. But in real time, you guys need to uh, use all the naming standards and the config file settings and exception handling. But for now, so for time being, we can go ahead with this thing. And so whenever that will execute, and here in the transitions, it will go to processing state. So in the processing state, I have divided these two things. One for first number, I have kept in the initialization state, and remaining other two activities I have kept in the sequence and another processing state. So once we click on OK, so this I have used workflow, invoke workflow activity. So here let me open this thing. So what it's doing, so basically it's combining the two numbers what I'm giving in input dialog, and it is storing in this variable, right? And this is what it's doing. So once everything is done, we have two transactions. One is end process and one is processing. When the processing will occur, I'll show you repeat. In the repeat, there is a condition I have written where the sum means sum is nothing but total IO total. Let me show you. So this is the argument, right? So this is the total IO. And one if you come here in the inbox workflow, um, yeah, here if you see edit documents, it will map to the sum. This is how we need to work when we are working with invoke workflow. So basically the sum of those two numbers should match the first number. So if it is not matching, I'm assigning the transaction to itself, because I would like to repeat the same process. The user needs to enter the two input fields. Here I have a two input dialogues, right? So they need to enter again, because if the number is not matched, then they need to enter it again. So that's what here I have written the condition, the repeat, the sum not equal to the first number. So once everything is run, if it is matched, then it will go to the final state. I'm just displaying the message box. Goodbye. So that's it, guys. So I hope you understand, and all these workflow files will be at my GitHub account. You guys can access those workflow files. If you have any questions, you can just shoot me a comment. So I'm happy to help you. Thank you.